Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a classic chemistry demonstration with molten potassium chlorate and a gummy bear, as the gummy bear is oxidized instantly by the potassium chlorate. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, well that was pretty cool. But what if we did it instead with a 3-pound gummy worm? Well, let's find out. In 3, 2, 1. Well, that was amazing, and really shows how exothermic and crazy combustion it can be. Like I said before, this reaction takes place between molten potassium chlorate and the sugar found inside of the gummy worm. Potassium chlorate is KClO3, but as it is heated and melts at about 670 degrees Fahrenheit, it starts to break up into potassium chloride and, more importantly, oxygen. Once the gummy worm is placed inside of the molten potassium chlorate, the glucose and other sugars inside of the worm react with all that oxygen and it starts to burn rapidly. The heat from this initial reaction then speeds up the rate at which the rest of the potassium chlorate breaks down, in turn making more oxygen, which starts the chain reaction that allows this demonstration to occur so violently and so fast. Now the gummies burn so well because they're packed with a ton of energy, also known as calories. So a food calorie, the one with the big C, is equivalent to the amount of energy needed to raise 1 kilogram of water 1 degree Celsius. So this little gummy bear has 8 calories, which is enough energy to raise a kilogram of water 8 degrees Celsius. And that's crazy considering this thing only weighs about 2 grams. So typically in your body, the energy from that gummy bear will be slowly broken down and released over the course of a day. But with this reaction, we can release all of that energy almost instantaneously. In the case of the 3-pound gummy worm with over 4,500 calories, that's released almost instantly. And that is double what the average person eats in a whole day. And by the way, those beautiful purple flames that you saw coming out of the reaction are the potassium ions that are burned along with the sugar. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed burning a 3-pound gummy worm, then please leave a like or subscribe. Thanks.